Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to fix cannot connect to App Store on iPhone in iOS 16.5. First of all, subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get new tech videos. Now let's start the video. Solution 1. Reboot your iPhone. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Shutdown. Now slide to power off and turn off your device. Then wait for few seconds and turn on back. Solution number 2. Clear history and website data. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap Safari. On the Safari page, scroll down, tap Clear History and Website Data. Again History and Data. Close tabs. Solution number 3. Check Wi-Fi connection. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Tap Wi-Fi. Turn off Wi-Fi. Then go back. Enable airplane mode. Wait for few seconds and disable it. Tap Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Solution number 4. Set date and time automatically. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap General. On the General page, scroll down, tap Date and Time. Turn on Set automatically. Thanks for watching this video.